This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 150,260 RD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, leveling jacks, LP detector, slide-out, TV, water heater, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, refrigerator, skylight, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 150,260 RD is 7,534 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.